Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. So we'll be looking for a German Max Olympiad 2019. Suppose the real numbers, suppose that real numbers x, y, z satisfy the following equations: x plus y by z equal to 2, y plus z by x equal to 2, z plus x by y equal to 2. Show that x plus y plus z is equal to 3 or 7. As we are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video and try it. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it up a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make the more videos. Thank you. So here, in this question, the logic is he is not asking the values of x, y, z. He is asking the sum of x, y, z. X plus y plus z is equal to 3 or 7. So here, first of all, what you will do, you will take the first equation, x plus y plus z, y by z is equal to 2. This you can write it as xz plus y is equal to 2z. In the same way, second one you can write as yx plus z is equal to 2x. And the third one you can write it as zy plus x is equal to 2y. So on adding all these values, what you'll get, xz plus y is equal to, xz plus y plus yx plus z plus zy plus x is equal to 2z plus 2x plus 2y. So here xz plus yx plus zy is equal to x plus y plus z. So here let us take it as S sum. So this value, what you have to find, this value is S sum. Let us take x plus y plus z is equal to S sum. Now you can solve this equation in another way also. So here from this only you can write from this you can write y is equal to z into 2 minus x. The second one you can write z is equal to x into 2 minus y. And from this third one you can write x is equal to y into 2 minus z. So now if you multiply this, all the three, here we are adding, here I am multiplying all the three. So xyz is equal to xyz into 2 minus x into 2 minus y into 2 minus z. So here if you remove xyz both sides, 2 minus x into 2 minus y into 2 minus z equal to 1. Now if you multiply these values, what you'll get here? So 8 minus 4 into x plus y plus z plus 2 into xy plus yz plus zx minus xyz is equal to 1. So when you multiply these three, we'll get this one. So here I am substituting the value. So xyz value are taking as s, 4s plus 2 into xy yz zx is also s. 2s minus xyz is equal to 1. So this can be written as 8 minus 2s minus xyz is equal to 1. 7 minus 2s is equal to xyz. So we got the value of xyz in terms of 7 and s. Let it be 2. Now here x comma y comma z not equal to 0 and x comma y comma z also not equal to 2. So the condition we are having this. So multiplying the first one with here multiplying this with y. So xyz plus y square is equal to 2yz. Second one xyz plus z square is equal to 2xz. xyz plus x square is equal to 2yx. So you are getting all the values like this. So adding all these values 3xyz plus x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 2 into xy plus yz plus zx. So here you know the value of xyz value. So 3 into 7 minus 2s, 3 into 7 minus 2s plus x square y square z square, you can write it as x plus y plus z whole square minus 2 into xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 2 into xy plus yz plus zx. So here 21 minus 4s plus s square minus 2 into s is equal to 2s. Now here you will get a quadratic in s. So here s square minus 10s plus 21 equal to 0. S square minus 7s minus 3s plus 21 equal to 0. S into s minus 7 minus 3 into s minus 7 equal to 0. S minus 7 into s minus 3 equal to 0. S minus 7 equal to 0 or s minus 3 equal to 0. S is equal to 3 or 7. So what is s value? X plus y plus z is equal to 3 or 7. So he is asking to show that x plus y plus z is equal to 3 or 7. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you once again for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.